Hello my dear students, today we will learn about diffusion, osmosis and active transport. Learning points: define each process, describe an example for each process, compare the key points of the three processes. So what is diffusion? Diffusion is when the particles move along a concentration gradient from high to low concentration. This is the diagrammatic view of diffusion. Here is an example of diffusion. Alveoli are air sacs in the lungs and the site for gas exchange. Oxygen diffuses through the thin walls into the blood to be transported around the body. Carbon dioxide diffuses into the alveoli to be exhaled. So what is osmosis? Osmosis is when water moves through a partially permeable membrane from high to low concentration. This is the diagrammatic view of osmosis. Have a closer look at the process. Osmosis example. Red blood cells take in and lose water by osmosis. In a concentrated solution, red blood cells shrink and lose water. In a dilute solution, red blood cells gain water and swell and could burst. It is a very fine balance. What is active transport? Active transport is when particles move against a concentration gradient from low to high concentration. This requires energy. Have a closer look at the process of active transport. Active transport example. Plants take up mineral ions through root hair cells. Mineral ions are at a higher concentration in the root hair cell than the soil. So, active transport is required to move the ions against the concentration gradient. Here is the good comparison between diffusion, osmosis and active transport. Diffusion and osmosis are almost same. Does not require energy. Osmosis as well does not require energy, whereas active transport requires energy. Diffusion and osmosis are from high to low concentration, whereas active transport is from low to high concentration. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.